welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an under the sink organization video. I don't have a lot of space under there because of the garbage disposal and the pipes, but I'm going to do the best I can. I just have some Dollar Tree organizers right there that I've had for other things in the house, and I think I'd make better use of them, so I'm just going to kind of figure out what works. So if this is something you enjoy, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. Now let's get started. I'm taking everything out of the cabinet so I can see what I have back stock of. A lot of these items I had more than one that were full or half full. So I only want the things in there that I'm actively using now, and then I can move the back stock to another closet so it's not taking up so much space under the sink since it's already limited. The cabinet liner or protector, I'm not sure what it's called, was there in case anything were to spill or leak. I ended up taking it out to wipe out the cabinet and then realized I didn't really need it since everything I had was going to be in the trays. So you see me removing them now, and then when we get to the end, you'll notice that I didn't put them back, and that's why. And I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface to wipe out any dust or anything that may have leaked from some of the containers so that I can put everything back in when it's nice and clean. It definitely took a little bit to figure out which containers would fit best in the space and then which products would fit best in those containers. So that's what I'm working on, just trying to figure out what I can easily access. Again, everything that I use the most frequently, I really wanted to be in the cabinet. So that's what I'm doing now, is just working on placement and making sure everything fits. Okay guys, I'm all done. I'm just cleaning up some of the mess that came out of the cabinet, and then I'll give you an overview of how it all turned out. It was definitely a tricky space to work with, but it was easy because I had these bins already, and the hardest part was just figuring out placement, which you saw me work through that. I won't go in detail about every single item that's in every container because I will be filming a favorite cleaning products video for you guys. So in the meantime, you can just take a look. I've got some extra multi-surface cleaners, some stainless steel cleaner, some cloths that are specific to the kitchen, some Clorox wipes, dishwasher tabs, and things like that. I'm very happy with it. Again, I can see everything, I can reach what I need, and it feels very decluttered and is not stressful to deal with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.